How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and welcome back to the vlog. This is Daytona prep vlog. So yeah, we're see here, Sunday, Monday, about 3 days away from leaving to Daytona, and about 4 days away from actually being in Daytona. I cannot freaking wait. So as a lot of y'all know, I got my windshield replaced. I had a little tiny rock hit the window, chip it, and then spread into a spider web when I was at the truck show with Kevin back in July. Got the windshield replaced. Now we're at Smoky Mountain window tint to get this fishbowl taken care of. Even though the sides are 5, I'm hating this so much right now. Don't know how dark I'm gonna go, but I am very, very, very excited to get rid of this crap. Windshield tint going on. Unfortunately, I could not go 20% because of safety reasons, even though I have a Rolling Stone in front of my truck. But we're going with my usual, what I had before, 35 across the whole windshield and my 5% sunbrow. So the sunbrow comes down to about the line, right about in here, to block it off. But I am super excited to have this back because God bless I missed it. Huge, huge, huge shout out to Smoky Mountain Window Tint and Accessories in Knoxville. They got my truck done right before Daytona. Unfortunately, I couldn't go dark on the windshield because they don't allow to go darker past 35, which again, 100% understand, not a big deal. So the tint setup is a 35 winch like before, but I did bring the 5% sunbrow down farther. So it gives it more, I guess, a little bit more darker light can't shine above you like that. But again, huge shout out to those guys. They got me in, got me done probably within an hour, if that. I mean, they're freaking phenomenal. Huge shout out to them. So let's go do some more Daytona prep. Shopping, got little speakers so we can have it on the beach. I got some new shoes for the beach, my Hey Dude shoes. If you have them, you know what I'm talking about, and some other stuff. But like I said before in the last video, new meats all the way around. Another set of Nitto 420 S's. I love them, and it's one of the last sets I think they're selling or on the market. There's some out there, but they're getting very hard to find because of the fact they're not making them anymore, especially the 420V. Haven't tried that tire, but I've heard good things about it. Finally, windshield tint again, same thing, 35 windshield, 5% brow. I brought the 5% brow down a little bit more than the old one, just to get a little bit more privacy. Other than that though, not much to truck. Later on this video you'll see I'm gonna be putting some Lasfit LED headlights in it. I'm very, very, very excited to show you all that and everything, because Lasfit, awesome company. Make sure you check them out for all your headlight needs. We have got the hood popped up so I can get to my headlights. We are now doing the new LED bulbs from Lasfit Auto LED, the old LS Ultimate Vision. And what they are 9 volt to 16 volt. They are 80 watt or 40 watt per bulb, and they're 10,000 lumens a set. 5,000 lumens per bulb with color temperature of 6,000 K. Warranty is, of course, 3 years, and package includes 2 LED lights. So these are going to go actually in my low beam headlights. I'm going to be changing out my high beam soon, but they sent me out for my low beams to run at Daytona. So I'm going to be taking these out, the low beams in, and of course adjusting them, and then we should be good. But these things are going to be freaking awesome. I cannot wait to throw these in the truck. Huge shout out to Lasfit for sending these to me. I very much appreciate it, guys. If you have any lighting needs where it comes to markers, headlights, high beam, low beam, reverse lights, rear lights, interior cab lights, please go to Lasfit. They're an awesome company and they will help you out no matter what. These are the headlights I'm installing. As you can see, they've got the fan in the back, which is really good. They've got a module for it to make sure it doesn't burn too bright or not bright enough. It modulates the power so that way you don't burn them up or burn up your truck. Of course, manual with a little Allen key and a decal. So I might put that on my inside brow. So when you're putting these in, what I like to do, since I had old Lasfit bulbs, these are a little bit, they're not loose, they're not super tight. So what I like to do is on these, I'll double up on the little rubber band that creates a watertight seal. It gets more of a snug fit, and I am running aftermarket headlights, so that's why. Stock headlights should be fine, but these aftermarkets are a little bit different. So just go in and screw it into a perpendicular up and down, and it's nice and tight, and then go plug up your truck. But what I like to do is I like to plug up to the truck first, test it, make sure it works, and then put them in the light, just for a safety aspect of it. But they're freaking bright. I just put that one in, and that one is stupid bright. These headlights are freaking bright. Now I've got my headlights angled down away from traffic, so hopefully I don't blind anybody, which is the goal. But highly recommend these lights. I am getting new lens covers for these two. Hopefully they'll be in before Daytona, new headlight covers, because I've got some weird like film, like something like etched into it. I don't know what the hell the deal is with these. Like they just like, I don't know what that is. So I don't know if it's oxidation or it's on this one too. I don't know what that is. That is so weird. If anyone can tell me, let me know. But I'm getting new lenses hopefully coming in before Daytona. That way they're, you know, a whole lot brighter or a whole lot more clear. But this should work out very, very well. So I'm really happy with this setup. Portion of the video where I do show you all the LED light testing at night. Now granted, keep in mind that I'm filming on a GoPro, and of course cameras and everything, unless you have a super high-end camera with a sensitive lens, will not fully show how bright lights are. So, but anyways, we'll get out of the truck right now. May I remind you, these are just my low beams. I don't have the lights in for the high beams yet, getting those very, very soon. So I'll of course make a video on that. But as you can see, they are bright as crap. Like I said, 5,000 lumens per bulb, like you all saw in the package. Again, you really can't see what I'm seeing right now, but where the light ends right about in there, I can see another probably 200 to 250 more feet of light down that gravel road. This is a paved road that leads to a gravel road around a cul-de-sac and you come back. I'm on like a private back road no one comes on. So that's how bright these lights are. They throw light all across the side of the on the side of the roads, so you can see what's going on the side of it. Now granted, I've got mine pointed down a little extra than like a stock truck, like a stock one from the factory, because I am lifted up 1.5 inches on the front, and plus these lights are so bright I don't want to be blinding people and shining in front of their lights. For those that are asking, yes, you can see out of the truck perfectly fine with a 35% windshield tint. So I have the advanced nanocarbon tint. So I'll turn off the lights in here. Again, camera's not going to do this justice, but it picks up wonderfully right here. Absolutely looks great. I can see out of it no problem. There is no reason why you can't run a 35% windshield tint with the ceramic carbon tint that I run, that it makes it look really, really good. Again, you can just see out of it. It's freaking awesome. So highly recommend these lights from Lasfit Auto LED. They have a huge fan in the back, like I said, that cools them off. Absolutely fantastic. I ran with them actually last night. I tested them last night when I was out, and can't say anything enough about these headlights. I highly recommend these headlights. Like I said, getting a pair for my high beams very soon, so I'll be running dual 5,000 lumen headlights. And I might do the conversion high mod, where when you hit your high beam switch, all 4 of them come on. That becomes soon. Not 100% sure on that. So like I said, we got the rock lights going on the truck, the frame lights. So we are partly rolling at night to go to Daytona. Put LED headlight or LEDs, license plate lights. I could not think for straight. Anyways, lights up the whole entire road. Like I said, I have no problem whatsoever out of that. And those wondering what it looks like with my light bar on, yeah, it lights up everything in that general area. Because the headlights are, like I said, throwing about 10,000 lumens combined. That light bar is throwing out about 16,000 lumens. So I got 26,000 lumens of light being thrown in that direction. So if I have the high beam mod on, then you're probably looking at 20,000 on the headlights and then 16,000 on the light bar. So that's 36,000 lumens being thrown out. But this thing is bright as crap going on the road. Like I said, I've got everything angled safely, so hopefully drivers won't get blinded. But it's also a safety aspect, guys. You also got to understand, I don't run with the light bar on at all. Unless I'm on a back road by myself, that light bar is never on the truck. It's more for safety as I run these back roads, so I can see deer, so I can see other stuff in the distance, and I have time to slow down and stop. Like I said, I don't run it with other people around me on the road. That's stupid. You blind someone, you get someone hurt and killed. But safety aspect of this is far none, and I freaking absolutely love it. If you want a pair, link will be down in the description. You can either get it directly through Lasfit or on Amazon. Make sure you get the right size for your truck. Research it, make sure you get the right size. My low beams are a 9006 and my high beams are a 9005, so make sure you get the right size bulb for your headlights. But other than that, guys, it is freaking, I absolutely love them. Thank you so much to Lasfit Auto LED. I very, very, very much appreciate it. That being said, I hope you all have a great day. Can't wait to see you all in Daytona. And remember, never give up on your dreams.